Hey everybody, Dr. Brian here. Last video we talked about how to take this last 90 days of the year and to prepare yourself for a better year in 2020. So today I want to talk a little bit about how to go about this 90-day process. The thing we want to start with is you might have a goal like you want to lose 20 pounds or you want to be able to, walk 45 minutes a day or something like this. The best thing to do is to break that down into chunks. Okay, to make it a process where instead of saying, well, I want to walk 45 minutes a day, so I want to begin walking. You might only walk 5 minutes to start with, and then maybe the next week 10 minutes, and then 20 minutes. Or you might, instead of saying, I want to lose 25 pounds, and that might be the big goal, but break it down in chunks where you know that you're going to remove so many calories a day, or you're going to expend so many more calories a day. So maybe you'd only reduce 250 calories a day out of your diet, and then you also exercise to remove 250 calories a day, and now you're at a 500 calorie a day deficit, which at a 500 calorie a day deficit, it takes 3,500 calories burnt or lost out of your body to lose a pound of weight. So that's an easy way over a week to maybe lose a pound of weight just by removing 250 calories a day and exercising for 250 calories a day. It's very easy to start these kind of goals now, and by the time the end of the year comes, you'll have that build up of that 90 days, that last 90 days of the year, and you'll be able to go into 2020 with a better outlook and maybe even a better level of health. And if you need accountability, which is also important with maintaining and getting better health, you want to have a coach. We do have that available here at the office with our nutritional program. You can talk to Sarah, and she will help direct you, and she will hold you accountable for your actions to make sure you reach your goals the way you want to. Also, I want to make mention that we are starting with our stem cell practice. We're starting to do aesthetics this month. When it's facials, we're going to do stem cell facials. We're going to do hair restoration. Also, male and female sexual dysfunction problems. We're going to work with the stem cells to help correct those issues. So if you're interested, we're going to have a big discount here for now till the end of the year for people to get started with the aesthetics program. And that's very exciting news, I know, for a lot of people. And you can call us at 614-436-3870, and we will get you signed up so that you can begin. We begin October 24th. So big discounts for everybody. Let us know if you're interested. And if you have any questions about your health, be sure to give us a call, and have a great day. Thank you very much.